In the new issue of Municipal Sewer and Water, 260 feet below the surface of Lake Ontario, crews are excavating upward directly into the lake bed. Debris and water are crashing down into the danger zone. One wrong move, catastrophe. Welcome to Nunavut, just below the Arctic Circle. Up here, permafrost is freezing underground pipes. The nightmare scenario? Failing infrastructure threatening cross-contamination between potable water and wastewater. With only 4 months a year to dig, they are out of time. Down south, a newly installed pipeline stretches over 1,000 meters beneath a riverbed. Its payload? A highly sensitive 125 kilovolt electrical line. The terrifying reality? They have to find a microscopic leak. Finally, a ticking clock in South Florida. 400 linear feet of public sewer main is failing directly beneath a high school hallway. The crew has a strict 2-week winter break deadline to rip it out and rebuild. See how the industry's best pull off the impossible. Read the March 2026 issue of MSW.